Come on, kids. Now get your English copy. Get your English copy and write down today's date. You have to look at the picture and encircle the correct word. So what is this? This is rat. So we have to read the words and find out the correct spelling for rat. So R-A-T, rat. So we got it on the first time only. Rat. R says R, A says A, T says T. Rat. 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 Then number 2. So what is this? This is net. Net. Okay, no, to net. So again, there are 3 words given. So we are going to read all the words and then find out what is the correct word for net. Look, read. Come on, look in your copy and read it. Wo at to. V says wo, so wo at wet. So this is not correct. Now come to next. K-E-G. Egg. Keg. This is also not correct. This is not keg, it is net. Now third one. No. N-E-T. No at. Yes. This is the correct word for net. Okay. Now, number 3. Number 3 is what is this? Pan. Okay, this is pan. So again, there are 3 words and we have to find out the correct word for pan and we have to encircle it. Read. Come on, look in your book and read. Look in your book. B-A-G. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. So this is wrong. It is not a bag. Then move to next. P-A-N. P-A-N. Pan. Yes. So this is the correct word for the picture pan. Now, number 4 is so what is this? And lion home. So what lion home is known as? हमने पढ़ा था lion का घर क्या कहलाता है? Den. So it's a den. Okay, so we have to find out the word den and encircle it. Chalo. Read. N-E-T. So N says na at net. So is this net? No, it is not net. Now move. D-E-N. So D says da. Da and den. Yes, it is den. So we have to encircle the correct word. Den. Then. As I don't have space here, so I'm writing it here. The next is it's a hen. Hen. Now, we have to read the words again and then we have to encircle the correct letter. Chalo, read. B-E-G. B-E-G. Beg. So this is wrong. It's a hen, it's not a bag. Come on. Next. Y-E-T. Y says yeah. Yeah at yet. So this word is also wrong. Now move further. आगे बढ़ो आप. H-E-N. H says her. Her and hen. Yes, this is the picture of hen. And the correct word for hen is here. So you have to encircle it. Done? Now, number 6 is look, what is this? It's a bag. It's a bag. So, let's read the word and encircle the correct one. Chalo, read. B-A-G. So B says B, A says A, and G says G. B-A-G, bag. So the first word is correct only, so we have to encircle it. The next words are van, wo and van, and jam, jam. Now the last one is seventh one is what is this? It's a tap. नल, नल को हम टैप कहते हैं. Chalo. So come on, let's read the words together. Let's find out the correct word for the picture tap. Read. M-A-T. M says ma. M-A-T. Mat. So is this mat? No, this is not mat. So move further. Next one is T-A-G. Okay, so T says T, A says A, and G says G. T, A, G. Tag. So this is not tag, this is tap. So move further. T-A-P. T says T, A says A, and P says P. So T, A, P, tap. Yes, so this is the correct word for the picture. Tap and circle it. And the last one is the picture of red color, है ना? Red. So let's find out the correct word for red. We have to read it and encircle the correct word. Chalo, read. R-E-D. R says R, E says E, and D says D. R-E-D, red. So the first word is correct only, red. Encircle it. Red. All right. So in this way, you have to complete the page. You have to look at the picture and circle the correct word for that picture. The title of our English rhyme is We Love Colors. The title of our English rhyme is We Love Colors. As I told you, whenever we look around ourselves, जब भी हम अपने आसपास देखते हैं, या we step out of our house, so we can see different things of different colors, है ना? We are surrounded by different colors. So the poem is all about that. So let's start. Come and sit in front of the screen and you all have to say along with ma'am. Start. Orange is the carrot. Yellow is the pear. Green is the grass. And brown is the bear. Purple is the plum. Blue is the sky. And black is the witch's hat. And red is cherry pie. Very good. Chalo again. Again. Orange is the carrot. Yellow is the pear. Green is the grass. And brown is the bear. Purple is the plum. Blue is the sky. Black is the witch's hat. and red is cherry pie. Okay, chalo. Now kids, get your mathematics copy. We'll complete our last work as well. Come on, get your mathematics copy fast. So get your mathematics copy and write down today's date, 27/8/2021. So today we are going to do the missing numbers. वैसे हम missing numbers पहले भी कर चुके हैं. So this is only for the revision. Missing numbers means जो number miss है, छूट गया है, that we have to write. Okay? Come on. Missing numbers. Those who don't have the set copies with them, you kindly write down the heading. Missing numbers. Missing numbers. Okay, chalo, let's start. You write down the heading, then I'm going to raise the whole board because we need the full board no for writing the numbers. Let's start. So in your copy it is already set, 1 is written there. है ना? और जो blanks दे रखे, we have to complete that. Okay, so 1 is written. So what we have to write after 1? जो भी missing numbers है, the numbers which are left no for writing, उनको आपको लिखना है. So we say the counting and then write. 1. So after 1, 2. So write down number 2 here. Say the counting and fill the missing numbers. Okay, Anaisha. Then after 2, 3 is written here, 4 is written here. Then after 4, what you have to write? 5. Say the counting and fill in the missing numbers. 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 5, 6. Understood? What are missing numbers? Missing numbers are those numbers which are left for writing, which are left to write. जो छूट गए हैं numbers, they are known as missing numbers. So you have to say the counting and filling the missing numbers. 6, 7. Then after 7, 8. After 7, 8. And then 9. Now after 9, you have to write 1, 0, 10. In this way, you have to complete the line. Okay? Now move to next. So the next number after 10 is missing. 10 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है वो लिखा नहीं है. So after 10, 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Then 1 to 12 is already written. And after 1 to 12, 1, 1, 11, 1 to 12. क्या आएगा 1 to 12 के बाद? 1, 3, 13. The numbers, those are missing now. You have to say the counting and write it. Fill it. Then after 1, 3, 13, 14 is already written. आपकी कॉपी में 14 पहले से लिखा है. Then the next number is missing. So 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, PU. ठीक है? Then 16 is already written. After 16, 17. You have to fill all the blanks by saying the counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Then 18 is already written. After 18, counting bolo, say the counting and write down what comes after 18. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Write down 19. And after 19, 20. 20 is already written. Okay. Now, after 2020 again, next line देखो first number is missing. So 2020 के बाद क्या आएगा? What comes after 2020? 21, 21. Write down. To 1, 21. Then after 21, 21 again the number is missing. So 21, 21 के बाद क्या आएगा? 22, 22. 22 comes after 21, 21. All the missing numbers you have to fill by saying the numbers. Then 23 is already written. After 23, again the number is missing. So say the counting: 21, 22, 23 and 24. Then after 24, 25 is already written. After 25, 26. Fill the blank by writing 26. 26. Then again the next number is missing. So what comes after 26? 27, 27. Then 2828 is written. Then after 28, 29 is also written. Then after 29, the next number is missing. So 29 के बाद क्या आएगा? Let's count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30, 30. Okay. Now the next phone number 31 is already written. 31 पहले से लिखा है. After 31, 32, 32. We have to count and fill all the missing numbers. 31 and 32. Now after 32, 33 is already written. Pramukh, switch on the camera. And Satvik. Now, after 33 missing, the number is missing. So 31, 32, 33. And what comes after 33? 34. Then after 34, 35. These two numbers are missing, 34 and 35. Then 36, 36 is written, 37, 37 is written, and 38, 38 is written. Now, what comes after 38? Say the counting. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Then after 38, 39, 39. And after 39, 40, 40. So in this way, you have to complete the numbers.